Hey guys, welcome back to Yabis Lessons. So in today's video, I'm here to teach you how to spice up your worship groove with a simple bass fills and passing note I'll be teaching you today, okay? If you're new to this YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. And make sure that when you subscribe, click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you'll see my link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so before we begin with the breakdown, I recently gave this information out. Is it last month that I was being nominated for an award, which I came to do a video about it. So I think the voting will be ending this week. The last day will be on Sunday. Just want to give you guys a quick reminder, and if you do not know anything about the voting, you can see how to vote on the screen, or you can just click, there will be the link in the comment section. Click on the link and you can also vote wherever country, or let's say worldwide. Okay, we're looking at this simple worship song. It is very easy. So when you want to learn the song, just understand the progression. So first of all, let's look at the song progression, and from then we can know how we can apply those fills and passing notes to that song to spice it up. Okay, so let's first look at the song progression. So that's the progression. It is very simple. Okay, so when you are learning something like this, a worship song like this, try to understand the progression. Maybe you can learn a progression from 1 6 2, and what I played or what I'm teaching you on that 1 6 2, you can learn it and maybe master it, and you meet it out there in a simple song where they are playing 1 6 2. Then what you've learned in the video, then you can apply it. Okay, so let me first play the first bass line that I'll be applying the passing note for this song. Okay, so you saw what I played. I played a passing note and a fill just to make the worship sound cool. Okay, so you are awesome in this place, mighty God. So 1 6 2. Let's look at what I played. Da 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 da. Your 1. Now to your 6 and 2. 5 6 2. You understand? Okay, so let's a passing note to your 2. 1 1 1 5 6 2. You understand? Okay, so just take it slowly, go as the drum goes. 1 1 1 5 6 2 2 2. Then now to your 4. I played these simple fills. So okay, so when you're done playing 5 6 2, then 2 2, then to your 4. You understand? Okay, so 1 2 4, then to your 5 5. You understand? Okay, so when you're done playing 5 6 2 2 2 6 7 1 3 4 4, then to your 5 1 2 5 5 1. See that cool fills? So on your 4 4 1 2, your B string gives you your 5. Okay, then you play your 5 octave, then 1. Da, da, da. You understand? So I want you to first understand the first one. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. Okay. Dun, dun. Da, 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 da. 3, 4, 5. A simple pass note back to your 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Then you can bring in your root. Then continue. Then 1, 2, 3. Remember that there's a 1 to 3. 1 to 3 progression. So da 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 da. So on the 3, I played a pass note back to your 3. Da 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 da. You understand? Okay. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. Okay. 5, 4, 3. Okay. You pluck on 4. I'm on 5. Pluck on 4 and 3. So for 5, 4, 3. Or you can just go straight forward. 5, 4, 3. Then out to your 4. Bam, bam, bam. Very cool. 1, 3, 4. You understand? Okay. Make sure you go with the kick. Okay. Just don't go off. Be in the groove. So do mi 1, 3, 4. Re mi. That is 2, 3, 5, 2. You remember the progression very well. Okay. So da 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 3, 4 da da 1, 2, 5 5 5 1. Okay, so master this first one very well. Understand the progression that when you are moving from your 1, 2, 3, you can play down da 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 da. You understand? When you are going from 1, 6 to down 5, 6 2. You understand? When you're going from 2 and 5, 1, 2. You understand? Okay, learn the passing notes and the fills, but make sure you memorize them so that when you get a song and you know the progression, if it fits, then you can start to apply this stuff in it. Okay, let's jump into the second bass line of this same song. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. Okay, so I'm still playing the same 1, 6 2. You understand? Okay, so what I did over there was da, da, da. 1 1 3 7 6. Then now I'm going to my 2. So bam, bam, bam. Okay. Okay, so 1 3 7 6. Then you play these cool fills. That is 6 7. Then you have your 1 sharp and your 2. Then you continue. So that goes like this: 5 6 1 2. You understand? Okay. Da 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 da. Okay, so you can even bring, when you play your 1 sharp, then you bring your 6, then from your 1 sharp and you hit your 2. You understand? 2 da, 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 5 6 1 2. Okay, so make sure that when you're going to a la 1 to 6, you can do it that way. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, da 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 da. Then if you're going to your 2, da da da, 5 6 1 2. Then now to your 4. Remember the previous one I did something like this. So this one you'll be doing something like this. Okay, so when you're done playing, then to your 4, 2 3 2 1 4, 2 3 2 3 2 1 4. So these are very nice fills, but I'm not done yet. I'll be going to my 5. So 2 3 2 1 4. That's to my 5. You can also learn these fills. Okay, you see how it is. So 4, you slide to your 1, then 4 5 4 3 2, then you're now on your 5. Bam, your 5. You understand? Okay. You are awesome, me. You understand? 5 1 3 4 5. You understand? So you saw that cool fills I did from my 5 to 1. So 3 4 5 3 4 5. You understand? Okay. So 5, you slide to your 2. 5 6 5 2 1. You can also do that when you are to start a song. 5 1. So 5. You understand? Okay. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. Da, 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 da. So the 1 to 3. So starting from my octave, 1 5 6 2 3. Then now to my 4, I did this very nice fills. You see, so 1 2 1 5 4. You understand? Okay, 1 2 1 5 4. Okay, da 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 na na na. So your 4, then now to your 2 4. You understand? Okay. Da 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 da. 1 2 1 5 4 5 6 5 4 3 2. That is to your 2. Da 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 da. The simple way to end. 3 4 5 1 2 5 5 5 1. Okay. So I'll be seeing you guys this coming Thursday. Bye for now.